The first thing I'm going to do is turn the sink on, and then I'm going to get my hands wet, and then I'm going to apply soap, making sure that I'm doing a circular motion, getting both sides of my hands and wrists. Then I'm going to get my nails and my knuckles. And then I'm going to do it on the same on the other side. Then I'm going to get in between my fingers on both sides and make sure I get my thumb very good. And then I'm going to get my wrist. Now that I've washed my hands for over 20 seconds, I'm going to rinse them off. And then I'm going to let them hang down, and I'm going to grab a paper towel. I'm going to pat dry, making sure that I'm not touching any of the sides of the sink. I'm going to throw this one away, and then I'm going to grab a new paper towel to turn off the sink. And that is how you wash your hands. Now that I have washed my hands, I'm going to open the sterile package. I'm going to go like this and open it. Because I am right-handed, I'm going to start with my right hand. So I'm going to use my left hand to pinch here, and I'm going to put my right glove on, making sure that I don't touch the clean side of the glove. Now with my clean side, I'm going to grab inside the glove and put my left hand in, making sure pull it, and that is how you put on sterile gloves.